Good morning, students. Yesterday I said about introduction to square roots and cube roots. What is square root? What is cube root? Now we'll go for exercise 6.1. What will be the units digit of the square of the following numbers? So here, without solving it, you should say units digit only. So it is very important. Okay. So now squares of numbers I said to learn. So 39 is there here. 39 in units place, what is there here? 9 square is how much? 81. So in units place you are getting 1 or not? So 39 square also, no need of multiplying 39 into 39 entire number and saying units place as 1 is wrong. Okay, just only square the units digit in the question, then in answer units place you have to write it as an answer. Okay, now 297 is there. What is asking? What will be the units digit of its square? He is asking. 297 square means 297 into 297. But don't do that much big multiplication. Just in units place, what number you are saying here? 7. 7 square how much? 49. So 49, in that 49 units digit is 9. So 297, if you do squaring, then in that square, in answer, units place will be occupied by 9, like that. Okay, 5125 is given. So in units place you have 5. In its square, 5125 into 5125, if you do it, then in units place here 5 is there. 5 square is 25. So in units place again 5 will come. So 7286. 7286, do squaring. 7286 into 7286. No need of that much multiplication. Just take units digit in 7286 and just square only units digit. 6 square 36 means 6 will becomes in units place. Next 8742. 8742. So in this square of 8742. So square of 8740 means 8742 into 8742. So what will come after multiplication of the 2 in units place? Which digit will come? He is asking. So just a square of units place, 2 square, that is 4. So 4 will come in units square 1. Okay, like that you have to do it. Which of the following numbers are perfect squares? Here is asking which are perfect squares. So as we came to know that some digits will come means it won't be have squares. Already we know about it. Otherwise one more method is there here. This method, okay, I'll explain. But if you know tables, up to tables you have to know it. 600 is there. 600 it is not a perfect square because 20 is how much? Very good, 400. 30 is how much? 30 is 900. So 500, 600, 700, 800, these entire are not perfect squares. So like that 600 is not a perfect square. 121 is a perfect square because if you know 11 square is 121. So I said to learn square numbers up to 20 or 30. Okay, then you will come to know about it. 136. So 136 again it is not a perfect square. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 36. So 1 is double 2, 22 2s are 44, 21 ones are 22, 21 ones are 21. So it is not a perfect square. 136. How we have to see is 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144. So 121 is there, 144 is there. Down in between 121 and 144, there is no perfect square. So you should imagine like that. 256 is a perfect square. 16 16 is 6 6 is 36, 6 3, 6 1 is 6 3 plus 9, 16 6. So 256 is a perfect square. So 321. 1 ones are 1, 221, 1 is doubled, 2, 29 nines are how much seat? 29 nines are 9 9 is 81, 1 8, 9 2 is 8, 18 plus 8, 2 61. So it is also not a perfect square. 321 is also not a perfect square. How means what you have to say is 16 square you got 256. 17 square how much seat? 17 square 7 7 is 49, 9 4, 7 plus 4 11, 17. So you are getting 289. 18 square seat, 8 8 is 64, 4 6, 14, 8, 18, 4 2 1, 324. So here 324 is nothing but 18 square, 17 square is 289, 289 and 324. Between whatever be the number you are getting, it's not a perfect square. So these entire will come when you know squares of numbers up to minimum 20. 20 squares, if you by heart it, then you will come to know that whether it is a perfect square or not. Okay, without doing the problem. Now what he is asking is, the following numbers are not perfect squares, give reasons. So he is asking that it is not a perfect square, give reason he is saying. So the reason is nothing but 257. So as already in yesterday's class I said, if any number is ending with 7, it's not a perfect square, because square of numbers digits from 1 to 9, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that, if you do it, in units place it won't come. 7 it won't come. 7 it never come. So by seeing in units place 7, 100% it is not a perfect square. Okay. So why means, reason means you have to write in English that your own reason. That is, squares of natural numbers from 1 to 9 won't give 7 in its units place. Therefore 257 is not a perfect square. 4592. Same reason. So if you square 1 to 9 any number, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 means 6, 5 square 25 means 5, like that, any number, it won't, a square of number, it won't end with 2. Therefore 4592 is not a perfect square. Like that you have to write it. Okay. So here I can't say that if 0 is there it's a perfect square. I won't say, because 10 is not a perfect square, 100 is a perfect square. Sometimes 2 zeros are there, it is a perfect, but see, 100 is a perfect square, but 600 is not a perfect square. Like that, if 7 is there, 100% is not a perfect square. Okay. So 5050 is there, 5050, 5050. It's not a perfect square. Why? Because what you have to say is, you can take LCM like this, 5050 you can take like this, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. In 2 table it won't go, 5 table only, 5 5s are, 0, 5 5s are, again 5 table 5, 1 not 1s are, 1 not 1. It will go in any table? No. 17 table, 13 table, 13 table also it won't go, 13 7s are, 17 3s are, it won't go. So you are getting 2 only one time. So it is not a perfect square. All perfect square means all you have to get as a square numbers, 2 square, 5 square, like that you have to get it. It's not a perfect square. 6098 you can do like this. 6098 also same thing, 2 3s are 0, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, just division it is. So like this if you do it, 2 only one time you got it. So 2 times you won't get it now. Therefore it is not a perfect square. Or also you can write 8, it won't come. So if you square 1 square, 2 square, like this, 8, it won't be a units place in its square. Okay. Next, if you go for fourth question, find whether the square of the following numbers are even or odd. So find whether the square of the following numbers are even or odd. First you should know what is meant by even, what is meant by odd. If a number is divisible by 2, it is even number. So by seeing only you can say it is even or not. So in units place, if you have numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is even number. Other than these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are there in units place. then it is said to be called odd number. Now what he given is 431 is given. 431, you should do square. 1 square, if you do it, 1 only will come. Means 431, you should multiply with 431. If you multiply 1 ones are 1. So don't multiply like this. So in units place, what you are getting? 1 only or not? If units place 1 is there, it is called odd or even? It is odd number. In units place, if you have like this, they are called even numbers. 431, if you do square, in units place, if you have 1, it is odd number. Next, 2826 is there. 2826. In units place, you have 6. Square of 6. 6 square is how much? 36. Means in units place, what you are getting? 6. In units place, 6 is there. It is even or odd? It is even. Like that you have to write it. Okay. Then how many numbers lie between the square of the following numbers? So it is very interesting. So 25 is given, 26 is given. 25 and 26 just they did not differ. 25 after 26 only will come. Square of 25 means 25 square. 25 into 25. So you are getting 625. 26 into 26. 6 6 is 36. 6 3. 12 plus 3 15. 2 52. 6 7. 676. So 676 is one number. 625 is one number. Between how many numbers are there? 676 minus 625. 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So how many numbers are there in its square? Means 51 numbers are there. Here 25 and 26 are differ by just not even 1. Just one difference is there. But in its square you have 51 numbers difference is there. Okay. Like that you have to do remaining. Okay. Next, without adding, find the sum of the following numbers. So it is just a playing one. Very easy one. If you can see it. What he given here? 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is given. How many numbers are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 square how much? 25. So if you add these under, you will get 25. How many? See, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay. So the trick is nothing but how many numbers are there, that you should do square. That's it. So sum of odd numbers is nothing but the n square. Means how many numbers are there, that square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 consecutive odd numbers are there. Consecutive means side by side. 1 after next odd number is 3. 3 after next odd number is 5. Like that. If you take in order odd numbers in a sequence, how many are there? Means 9 odd numbers you are seeing. So the sum answer is 9 square. That is 81. Do you understood or not? Here what you have to do, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 square how much? 13 13s are 169. So if you add all these numbers also, you will get 169 only. Okay. Then next we have to go for Pythagorean triplets. What is Pythagorean triplet? So this we'll see tomorrow. Okay. In tomorrow's class I'll explain about Pythagorean triplets. Thank you.